Clearing your search history on Zomato can help enhance your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato application on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your search history. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and personal information. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, look for the settings option, which may be represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 4. Find search history. Within the settings menu, locate the section labeled search history or similar. This section will display all your previous searches on the app. Step 5. Clear search history. Once you are in the search history section, look for an option to clear or delete your history. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Zomato. Regularly managing your search history can help maintain your privacy and streamline your app experience.